On July 13th, 2026, OpenAI launched its new GPT 5.6 family. And it's not just a tweak here or there. It's a game-changing shift in the AI landscape. Introducing Sol, Terra, and Luna, three specialized models designed to tackle different tasks with precision. Sol is the powerhouse of the bunch, built for demanding jobs where speed and accuracy are paramount. Terra takes a step back from the hype, balancing performance with cost-effectiveness, making it perfect for projects that need a solid balance without breaking the bank. And then there's Luna, lightning fast and incredibly efficient, designed to process data as quickly as possible. Now, here's what this means for you. These models are changing everything about how we build AI solutions. They might just be the key to unlocking efficiency and effectiveness in ways you never imagined. But let's get real. Why should you care? Because if you're building anything with AI, your next project could be done twice as fast and a quarter of the cost. But here's the part nobody saw coming. These new models are not just about performance. They're about redefining what's possible in AI. So, how will you leverage Sol, Terra, or Luna in your projects? Are you ready to rethink everything you know about AI solutions? Lovable, the Stockholm-based vibe coding startup, is in talks to double its valuation to $13.2 billion after raising approximately $300 million. This rapid growth signals a booming market for AI software building tools. Imagine being able to describe your software needs in plain language and watch as Lovable's platform brings them to life with ease. But here's the catch. This isn't just about building software. It's about democratizing access to advanced AI. Now, let me drop another bomb on you. According to a recent report, Lovable is not just growing. It's breaking records. The Stockholm Stock Exchange recently reported that Lovable has seen its user base and project volume increase by 75% in the past quarter alone. This isn't your run-of-the-mill growth. This is exponential expansion. But why does this matter? Because it tells us something critical about the future of AI software development. It's not just about building better models like GPT 5.6. It's about making those models accessible to everyone. The tools you use, from Lovable to newer platforms like Sol, Terra, and Luna, are the key to unlocking this potential. So why is this happening? Well, think about it. What if every developer could leverage advanced AI without needing a PhD in machine learning? This isn't science fiction anymore. It's reality. And GPT 5.6 family models like Lovable are leading the charge. But here's where things get interesting. While these tools are powerful and transformative, they come with their own challenges. Take, for instance, the recent migration of a production AI agent to GPT 5.6. The results? A 2.2x increase in speed and a 27% decrease in cost. That's not just faster, that's a game changer. So, as we continue this journey, remember, the tools you have at your disposal are going to transform how you build AI solutions. Whether it's through Lovable or Sol, Terra, or Luna, the future is here, and it's ready for you to seize. You've seen how Lovable's valuation has surged, but let's dive deeper into what's really driving these numbers. How companies are actually leveraging GPT 5.6 in their workflows. Just last week, a production AI agent was migrated to GPT 5.6, and the results were staggering. Imagine you're running an e-commerce platform that relies heavily on recommendation engines. Before this migration, your system might have been churning through data at a snail's pace. But now, with GPT 5.6, it's humming along twice as fast. Imagine that, 2.2 times the speed. That means you can process more customer interactions in less time, potentially increasing sales and improving user experience. But the cost savings are just as compelling. A 27% decrease in operational costs? Consider this. Every penny saved is a step closer to reinvesting into your business or boosting your margins. For many companies, that's the difference between staying profitable and thriving in an already competitive market. This isn't just a one-off either. Companies like yours are starting to see that GPT 5.6 isn't just a buzzword. It's a game changer. The real magic lies not in the initial adoption, but in how seamlessly these models integrate into existing systems, delivering immediate and measurable benefits. But here's the catch. This is just the beginning. OpenAI has only scratched the surface with Sol, Terra, and Luna. As more companies begin to experiment and fully optimize their processes, the potential for even greater efficiency and cost savings will become clear. Are you ready to be one of them? But here's what almost nobody is talking about. The new OpenAI GPT 5.6 family, Sol, Terra, and Luna, are powerful tools for building efficient AI solutions. They offer incredible speed, cost savings, and specialized capabilities that could transform the industry. But what if I told you that not all is as it seems with GPT 5.6? There's a hidden risk in switching too quickly to these models. Imagine you're a developer looking to upgrade your existing production AI agent. You've seen the numbers: 2.2x faster, 27% cheaper. Sounds great, right? But what if I told you that these gains come with some serious trade-offs? First up is the dependency on OpenAI's cloud infrastructure. While GPT 5.6 offers incredible performance, it requires a robust and reliable backend. If your network goes down or there's a sudden surge in usage, your AI could be left hanging. This isn't just a theoretical risk. Real-world disruptions can happen at any moment. Next, consider the data privacy concerns. These models are incredibly powerful because they're trained on vast amounts of data. But with that comes increased scrutiny from regulatory bodies and ethical watchdogs. Your company might find itself in hot water if it gets caught using these models without proper oversight or compliance measures in place. Finally, there's the issue of model bias. GPT 5.6 is a marvel of engineering, but it's not perfect. Recent studies have shown that even state-of-the-art AI models can perpetuate biases and errors. If you're relying on these models for critical decision-making processes, you need to be prepared to handle unexpected outcomes and the fallout they might cause. So, before you make the leap, ask yourself, are you willing to bear the burden of this new model's potential risks? Because while GPT 5.6 might offer incredible advantages, it also comes with hidden costs that could impact your business in ways you never expected. But here's what nobody's telling you. OpenAI's new GPT 5.6 family is more than just a bunch of fancy models jockeying for attention. Each model has its own strengths and weaknesses, but the real bet might be on Terra. Terra isn't just any specialized model. It's designed to strike the perfect balance between performance and cost efficiency. Imagine you're building a massive AI infrastructure, let's say a production line that needs to handle millions of requests every day. You want speed, reliability, and affordability all at once. That's where Terra shines. For instance, Lovable, the Stockholm-based startup, is reportedly in talks to double its valuation to $13.2 billion. This rapid growth isn't just about innovation. It's also a direct reflection of the exploding market for AI software building tools. And guess what? These tools are becoming more and more accessible thanks to models like Terra. Terra recently delivered some eye-opening results too. A recent post on Hacker News detailed how migrating a production AI agent to GPT 5.6 resulted in a 2.2x increase in speed and a 27% decrease in cost. That's not just impressive, it's transformative. You can literally double your efficiency while cutting your expenses. Now, why would you settle for a gamble on Sol when Terra offers this balanced performance? It's like choosing the middle lane over the left or right, the safety and reliability of the center path. Terra might be the smart choice if you're looking to build something that needs both speed and stability without breaking the bank. But here's the kicker. OpenAI isn't just about picking a model. It's about understanding where each one fits in your strategy. Terra could very well be the foundation for your next big project, providing the performance you need without the financial strain of going all in on something specialized. So, when you're weighing your options for an AI solution that needs to perform reliably at scale, Terra might just be the real bet. It's balanced, efficient, and ready to take on whatever challenges come its way. You can't afford to be left behind in this rapidly evolving world of AI. Today, we've uncovered the capabilities and potential applications of OpenAI's new GPT-5.6 family, Sol for demanding tasks, Terra balancing performance and cost, and Luna focusing on speed and efficiency. We've seen how these models are set to revolutionize industries by making them faster, cheaper, and smarter. But here's the kicker. Adopting GPT 5.6 isn't just about keeping up, it's about leading the pack. Lovable in Stockholm is already worth $13.2 billion after raising a whopping $300 million. This is a clear sign of where the future lies. AI that can be easily described and built, enhancing productivity across the board. And let's not forget the real-world case study from Hacker News. Migrating to GPT 5.6 resulted in a 2.2x speed boost and a 27% cost reduction. These aren't just abstract numbers. They represent tangible gains that can make your projects not only more efficient, but also more profitable. But here's what almost nobody is telling you. The real game changer isn't about which model to choose. It's about understanding how to leverage them effectively in your workflows. The GPT 5.6 family is designed for specialized use cases, and getting the right one can mean the difference between staying competitive and falling behind. So, if you want to stay ahead of this, if you want to be part of shaping the future of AI, there's only one thing left to do. Subscribe to Oxera. We're your go-to source for the real, unfiltered stories that drive innovation. Join us now and never miss a beat in this fast-moving landscape.